Hi, my name is Muhammad Aiman Daniel bin Nur Yazilan and my metric number is 10 DKM 22F1005. My partner is Muhammad Karimizam bin Saiful Anwar. Metric number is 10 DKM 22F1039. Today, we want to present how to make external thread shaft using lathe machine. Step 1. Make sure safety equipment is worn. First, use safety equipment to avoid any accident. For example, Google, jacket and safety boot. Step 2. Got a prior reading of the workpiece. The initial reading of the workpiece is taken using a vernier caliper to ensure the amount of part that need to be cut so that it becomes the desired shaft. Step 3. The desired length and diameter are obtained using tool bit. The tool bit is used to attach into lathe machine to cut the workpiece and obtain a measurement of 30mm length and 25mm diameter. Step 4. A hole is created by using drill. A center drill is used to create a hole in the middle of the workpiece to support the nailing process. Step 5. Putty off is performed by using a putting tool. The putting tool is used to perform putty off at a length of 8mm and a diameter of 21mm.
Next, knurling. Knurling tool is used to create a pattern by employing the knurling process. This process will make a pattern on the workpiece at the length of 25 mm. The speed of the machine must be slowed to ensure that the pattern looks detailed. After that, a taper turning process is executed using a tool bit to get a length of 50mm and the angle of 50 degrees at the end of the sheet that we will cut. Step 8. A threading process is conducted by using a tool bit. The length of the workpiece is ensured to be 20 mm and the threading process is utilized to make the diameter of 27.5mm. Step 9. Using a tool bit, a chamfering process is carried out. A chamfering process is employed on the top of the workpiece to clear out the burns on the last step of the cutting material process. Step 10. After all cutting progress is done, final measurements are taken using a vernier caliper. This progress is ensure the length and the diameter of the workpiece are same as indicated in the diagram that we planned for the beginning.
Safety precaution. 1. Ensure that the security button is functioning properly. 2. Maintain the floor is free from obstruction or slip hazard.
Safety precaution number 3. Make sure the chuck key is removed immediately after adjusting the chuck. Number 4. Ensure the lathe machine is stopped before making another adjustment or start cleaning. Number 5. Ensure the attachment hazards are removed before using the lathe machine. That's all for us. Thank you.